In this session, you will learn about the return statement. So return statement terminates the execution of the method, and in fact it returns the control to the calling method. So now if your method is returning a value, so that value we return with the help of the return statement. But if you are writing some statement after the return statement, so those statements are not going to be executed, because after the return statement it will skip all the statements within your method, and it will transfer the program control to the calling method, like method which is calling the method here. Let's understand it with the help of example. So I have a console application with the name return. So what I'm doing here, let's say I want to add two numbers. So I'm using here integer result, and I'm calling a method here add. Right now I'm not defining a method add, and here I'm passing the two number 2, 3. Now I just define this add method here. So I'm defining here, let's say integer add, then receive two parameter integer a comma integer b, and here I'm returning the sum of these two number integer a plus b. And this method we are calling in the static method here, so just make this one as a static this way. So you can see here, if you will try to add one statement after the return statement, let's say console.WriteLine, and let's say statement after return, that is not going to be executed. Even the Visual Studio is very smart, it is showing the message here like unreachable code detected, means this statement never executed. So here whatever the statement you want to write in your method, these should come before this return statement. So this should be a return like statement before return. So here also when the execution will start for this main method, it will start from this statement, then the cursor, then the control will come from this main method to this add method, then it start its add method execution, and finally it's return the value of a and b, and this value is going to assign to this result. And here I can show my result value, let's say console.WriteLine, I can show the result, then 0, then use a result. So it will show the result as 5. So let's check. You can see we are getting the message here like a statement before return and result equal to 5. So return statement is used to terminate, is used to return the program control from a method to the calling method. So it's terminating the execution of the method.